Chapter number 16 we are going to start, and the name of the chapter is depreciation. Now what is depreciation? Permanent fall in the value of any fixed asset is called depreciation. Permanent fall in the value of any fixed asset due to any cause, it is called depreciation. For example, when we purchase a motor vehicle, suppose we have purchased a motorcycle today worth rupees, we have purchased a motorcycle today worth rupees 60,000. If after a week or a day we are not using it and we just want to sell it off, it will never be sold again at 60,000. There will be some fall in the value of fixed asset. So it will not be sold again at the same value. So bache, we are going to make today the asset account in which we have to show the depreciation. Asset account in which we have to show the depreciation. This is the format of asset account. Illustration number 1. So bache, we have started depreciation chapter number 16 today, in which we have to make the asset account, and the depreciation is the permanent fall in the value of any fixed asset, and we have to maintain the machine account for 4 years. It is being given in the question. To bank account, we have purchased a machine for rupees 90,000. We will write in machine account to bank account. Machine account debit to bank account 90,000. And on this machine we have spent two type of expenses. 6,000 on carriage and 4,000 on erection. So total we have spent rupees 1 lakh. The cost of machine today on 2015 April 1, the cost of machine today is 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Now what we have to do? At the end of every year we have to charge some depreciation. If the year started on 2015 April 1, it will be finishing on 2016 March 31. 15 April to 16 March. By depreciation we will charge depreciation, and on the same day we will calculate the balance carried out, the closing balance of the year. So bache, first of all we have to calculate the value of depreciation, and the value of depreciation will be calculated with the help of a formula. We have to use a formula. Depreciation is equal to cost of asset minus scrap value divided by estimated life of the asset. We have to use this formula for calculating depreciation. The formula is cost of asset minus scrap value divided by estimated life. Cost of asset minus scrap value divided by estimated life. So cost of asset we have calculated 90 plus 10,000 expenses. Total cost of asset is 1 lakh rupees. And it is given in the question that it was estimated that the effective life of machine will be 10 years. This machine will be working for 10 years only, and after 10 years the scrap value, if we will sell it off, the scrap value will be 20,000. In formula you have to put everything, cost of asset minus scrap value divided by estimated life. So 1 lakh minus 20,000, it will be 80,000. Divide by 10, it will be 8,000 per year. This you have to do in a working note. You have to maintain a working note, calculation of depreciation. What we have done, we have calculated the depreciation by applying a formula, cost of asset minus scrap value divided by estimated life. How to calculate depreciation? Cost of asset minus scrap value divided by estimated life. 1 lakh minus 20,000 divided by 10. It will be 8,000 per annum. So how we will prepare the machine account? 8,000 will be the value of depreciation. So 1 lakh was the cost, 8,000 we have used. So what will be the closing balance? 1 lakh minus 8,000, it will be 92,000. 1 lakh minus 8,000, it will be 92,000. Now 2016 April 1 is the next year. April 1. To balance brought down. Now we will carry forward this balance to next year. 92,000 will be the balance brought down. This year will be ending on 2017 March 31. And again we have to write by depreciation account 8,000. Every year 8,000 will be reduced from the value of asset. Same day we will calculate balance carried down. 92,000 minus 8,000, it will be 84,000. Total of the year is 92. We have completed 2 years bache. First year 2015 April 1, we have purchased a machine for rupees 1 lakh and the value reduced is 8,000. So 1 lakh minus 8,000, 92,000 is the balance carried down. This balance carried down will be the balance brought down for next year, and 92 minus 8 again this year, it will be 84. So next year is 2017 April 1. $84,000. Here you will write to balance brought down 84,000. So this year also 2018 March 31. It will end on 2018 March 31. Again you will charge depreciation 8,000 and balance carried down. 84 minus 8, it will be 76,000. Total is 84,000. Next year 2018 April 1, to balance brought down. This 76 will be carried forward. Again this year will end on 2019 March 31. We will write by depreciation account 8,000 and by closing balance will be 76 minus 8, it will be 68. Total 76. So 4 years are completed now. We will just leave by writing the balance PD. To balance brought down 68,000. The life of this machine is 10 years, but we have to make the machine account for 4 years only because it is given in the question that we have to make the machine account for 4 years only. We will write to bank account in machine. When we will purchase, we will write to bank. Total we have spent rupees 1 lakh on April 1, 2015. This year will end on 2016 March 31. Depreciation we have calculated by applying a formula. Cost of asset minus scrap value divided by estimated life. That was 8,000 per year. Every year 8,000 will be reduced from the value of asset. 1 lakh minus 8,000, 92. Next year 92 will become the balance brought down. 92 minus 8, 84. 84 will become the balance brought down of next year. 84 minus 8, 76. 76 will become the balance brought down of next year. And 76 minus 8, 68. We will leave by writing the balance brought down of the 5th year. These 4 years we have completed. Any doubt, bache?